Did you know that over 100 billion bananas are consumed globally each year? That's an enormous number, and a significant portion of these bananas are transformed into the crispy slices we know as banana chips. But have you ever wondered how these bananas, starting from their lush green origins in the fields, end up as crunchy, flavorful snacks? Today, we're going to embark on a fascinating journey from tropical banana plantations to the careful packaging of golden chips on store shelves. Get ready to discover the intriguing secrets behind the banana chips production process. Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey! Banana chips, also known as crispy fried bananas, are believed to have originated in the southern states of India, particularly Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For centuries, locals have been thinly slicing green or ripe bananas and frying them until they're crispy, creating a popular snack in everyday life. This snack didn't remain confined to India, however. It quickly spread across Southeast Asia, the Caribbean, and Latin America. Each region has its twists on banana chips. In Southeast Asia, they're known by various names such as kritik pisang in Indonesia and kluay tad in Thailand. In the Caribbean, banana chips are often paired with spicy sauces, while in Latin America, they're sweetened with honey or sugar. Today, banana chips have become a beloved snack worldwide, available in various flavors, from salty to spicy to sweet. They are delicious and a great source of fiber, potassium, and vitamin C, making them a satisfying and healthy snack choice. Now let's dive into the banana chips production process. Have you ever wondered where the journey of a banana chip begins? The journey of banana chips starts in lush green banana fields in tropical regions. Here, Cavendish or Saba bananas are grown under ideal climatic and soil conditions. Did you know that each bunch of bananas is carefully wrapped in plastic bags? This is done to protect them from pests and harsh weather. Every detail is meticulously attended to. When harvest season arrives, workers skillfully cut each banana bunch with sharp knives. But what's even more fascinating is how these banana bunches are transported. Isn't it amazing? Watching the bunches gently glide through a cable system reminds me of a small train passing through a tropical forest. This cable system helps transport the bananas from the field to the processing plant without causing any damage. How do fresh bananas become crispy chips? Once the bananas reach the factory, the preparation process begins. The bananas are cleaned and peeled, a step that might seem simple, but is crucial to ensure the bananas stay fresh. Next, each banana is sliced thinly and evenly. Can you imagine? Every slice is carefully measured to ensure the perfect crunch when fried. Discovery Challenge. Do you know which country is famous for its banana chips? A. India. B. Thailand. C. Philippines. D. Indonesia. Leave your answer in the comments below and see if you got it right. Can you hear the sizzling sound as the banana slices hit the hot oil? At this stage, the bananas are either fried or dried. Before frying, the banana slices may be soaked in a salt or sugar solution to enhance their color and flavor. For those who prefer healthier snacks, the bananas can also be dried to reduce oil content while still retaining their crunch. What flavors do you think banana chips come in? Now that the banana slices are crispy and golden, they're ready to be flavored. This is where creativity comes into play. With a variety of flavors being added, salt, sugar, honey, and many others. Each bag of banana chips carries its unique flavor, sure to satisfy anyone's taste. After flavoring, The chips are cooled and packed. Packaging might seem straightforward, but in reality, each bag is carefully sealed in moisture-proof packaging to ensure every chip you eat is as crunchy and fresh as when it was first made. How do we ensure that every bag of banana chips meets the highest quality standards? Finally, before the banana chips reach you, they must undergo a rigorous quality control process. Every aspect from crunchiness and flavor to packaging is thoroughly checked. Once everything is perfect, the products are stored under optimal conditions, ready to be shipped to stores where you can easily find them on the shelves. With the growing demand for banana chips, environmental protection in the production process has become crucial. Manufacturers have implemented significant measures, such as recycling over 6,000 tons of ropes and plastic bags used for wrapping up bananas each year. Additionally, 100% of farms have processed solid waste like pencil tapes and banana stalks, repurposing them to produce fertilizers. All packaging facilities are equipped with filters, saving up to 70% of the water used for washing bananas. The use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers has been reduced by 50%, while sustainable energy sources like solar power have been enhanced. Through careful management of vegetation cover and the use of native plants, pollution and erosion levels have also decreased. These environmental initiatives have contributed to cleaner air and water, with 99% of farms achieving key environmental certifications. Moreover, the industry has allocated 10,000 hectares to forest reserves to preserve wildlife and offset carbon emissions, funded by the producers themselves. Thank you for joining us in exploring the production process of banana chips. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.